Okay, so I'm working on a couple of UEI units here. This one is a carbon monoxide detector. And this is mine. The screen broke, so I needed to get a new screen. So instead I bought this. I wasn't thinking about it. It's a combustion analyzer. I bought it on eBay. But so it doesn't do just CO, it's CO2 or O2. You can use that to find efficiency of the unit, which is cool, but I like to use CO. So what I need is a screen. Yeah, because this screen's broken. This screen is not. So I'm going to remove it. And I already disconnected it from this one. So I'm going to remove it and solder it onto the other one. So just 2 Phillips head screws back here. Actually, I forgot, you gotta pop this off first. You just push it down, that comes off. The filter and the trap piece there. Loosen up a little more. Okay, 2 Phillips head screws come out. Okay, there's our circuit board. Make sure I don't get these mixed up. So we'll have the analyzer stuff here and the CO detector stuff over here. Alright, so if I flip this, I gotta pop this off. You just kind of grab the circuit board and grab the bottom base and it just pulls out. There's a plug on the back here, make it a little easier. That comes off. I gotta get this this connector off here, this ribbon connector. So there's 2 little clips right here. There's one there, you just push it back. There's one here, you push it back. This clip will pull right out. Okay. Okay, then we can see there's going to be 2 connectors here that I'm going to have to remove the solder, but there's also these 2. So there's these little clips here. Probably would be easier if I had some needle nose pliers or something, but I was going to do it like this. So these ones here, they just bend them over. So if you straighten it out, I'm just doing it like this so you guys can see it. So you bend that one. We'll just straighten them all back out. Another one here. It's like there's 6 total on here. So I had trouble finding just the screen. If I could have found just the screen, I would have just kept this analyzer. It would have been fine. So now that I straightened all those out, this kind of wiggles out. You can see it starts to come out there. But what I got left is these 2 connectors there. On the old one, I just cut it just to get it off easy because I didn't care because it's broken already. I even tried looking up the part numbers on the back of the board here to see if I could find anything, and I didn't have any luck. I looked online, but I looked up parts for a UEI or for UEI CO091. Didn't have any luck there either. So, okay. I don't know where my solder sucker is. So I'm just kind of grabbing the circuit board in the back, or the screen, hitting that up. Well, I pull that out. Okay, so now we got the screen out. make them a little cleaner, or else it's not gonna make it a little cleaner, a little straighter, so it goes in there easier. All right, so there's the screen that came out of the combustion analyzer. Oops, probably close this up. Don't hurt myself. Now, those two connectors that have to be pulled out are right here. This might get hot, we'll see. Probably come out so fast it won't even matter. Okay. One. There's two. Got those out. Okay. So now, gotta get this one in there. So like I said, it's probably smarter to use a solder sucker, pull that out, but I'm not being smart right now. Okay, and I got that in there. I'm gonna flip it and touch the solder up. Get this stuff off the end of the soldering iron. Just got a wet paper towel there. That might have just popped out. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so that's soldered in there. Now we gotta get the tabs that were in the back. First we gotta put the soldering iron over there so I don't get burned. So we gotta get all 6 tabs through. Okay, got them all through. Just gotta bend them back. Bend that one out. Bend this one this way. Sorry if my head's getting in the way. That's back. Then we gotta get the ribbon back in here. It looks like I might have to push these clips out again. Okay, the ribbon is seated all the way in there. Then you push the clips back down. Okay, those are back down. Got to remember to hook this wire back up. Okay, this just looks like there's this little nipple that goes in this hole. There's another one here, but it broke off. So I'm going to line this up in that hole. I'm going to look on the back to make sure that these 3 or 4 pins go on these 4 holes there as I do this. Okay, so that's back in place. There's that screen now. Alright, so we're back to the CO detector. So the bottom has to go in first. Got 2 clips there. Just goes like that first, then pushes down. So this is in real time. This is not taking very long at all. And even though I didn't get the tool I wanted, or that I thought I was getting, I wasn't thinking about it when I ordered it. Looks like it's broken side of there too. Even though I didn't get the tool that I thought I was getting, still able to make this work. So these new combustion analyzers are like, or carbon monoxide detectors are $600, $500, maybe more now. So this is a pretty huge savings. Just soldering a couple of joints there, which is nice. Okay, that's tight. That's tight. Batteries, always a pain. Let's see here. Let's see if I got it well the right way. And we got a screen back. So back to having a working carbon monoxide detector. Thanks for watching. Just press like and follow us. Thank you.